Okay, this is the cabin air filter replacement on a Chevy Malibu. Come in your passenger side. What you're going to want to do is open up your glove box. You're going to see on the passenger side door area, this little guy right here. You're going to unhook that. Go ahead and just put a screwdriver through the loop just so you don't lose it when it retracts up. As you can see, it kind of holds your door in place. And then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I've got that on like so. Then you're going to come in each side of your glove box right in here. Just going to pinch that in, come over here, do the same thing, and our glove box will pop out. Now I'm going to need two hands to do it. Oh, maybe not. Got it there. Now our glove box is down. Right behind this guy here, that black thing, is your cabin air filter. You're going to have a tab right here. Just going to push that tab back. You're going to have one over here. If it's been replaced, it's probably broken off because they tend to break off. Okay, so once you get it free of the two tabs on the corners, up top there is another one. So you're just gonna have to get a screwdriver in there, pry up on that. You're probably gonna need two hands, so I'll put the camera down, and then that drawer will drop down. Okay, you got it free of that tab. That will pull right down. That white thing in there is your cabin air filter. You're just gonna want to go ahead and pry it out. Some of them will have a little tab on them. If you pull from the bottom, she'll come right out. So there's all kinds of crap in these things. As you can see, this one here is kind of looking moldy, just kind of stinks, and I'm gonna replace that. So I got my new one here, just gonna go ahead and put that in. There's your part number, what you need. So as you can see, arrow, point it down. Slide it back into the compartment. Make sure it locks up on all the tabs that aren't broken. And you can go ahead, pull that string out, try not to lose it. Okay, get your glove box just locked back in place, reattach that retention rope, and you're all done. So I believe GM recommends you do this every 20,000 miles, and reason being, this is filtering the air that's coming in to your air vents, filling up your cabin, and then you're breathing in through your HVAC system. If you found this video on the cabin air filter replacement helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and take a look at all the other content on here for basic repairs on your car that you can do yourself.